In problem 15 here on the review, again, I want to solve for x. Notice this time the x is in the exponent, so I need to get the x down to the main level so that I'll be able to solve for it. In order to get the x out of the exponent, I need to switch this expression into from an exponential form into a logarithmic form, and that will bring the x out of the exponent. I'm all ready to go. I have a base with a power equals something, so I just can turn it all around. I start and I'm going to have log. My base is this bottom number here, so log base 3, zigzag over to get the 8. Log base 3 of 8 is equal to 7x minus 1. Now that I'm in this form, notice that the x is on the main level. 7x minus 1 is pretty easy to solve and get by itself. On the left-hand side of the equation, I have log base 3 of 8. And that doesn't have any variables or anything in it, and so I can just go ahead and evaluate that. Again, if you can enter that directly in your calculator, go ahead and do that. If you don't have a function where you can do that, remember we can use the common log button, which every scientific calculator will have, and we start by saying that's the log of 8, and then divide it by the log of the base, which is log of 3. Okay, so let's find that value on our calculator over here. So we press the log button of 8, make sure you close the parentheses, and we want to divide that by the log of 3, which was the base, and close the parentheses there. 4 digits after the decimal is what I'd like you to use here, so 1.89, and then the 7 will round up to an 8, equals 7x minus 1. That should be great there. Now, I'm almost done. Just need to get the x by itself. We can add 1 to each side here. So that gets me 2.8928. equals 7x, and then I can divide by 7 on both sides to finish getting the x alone. Let's go ahead and do that over here. 2.8928 divided by 7 gives me 0.4133, make sure that decimal's there, as my solution for x.